I'm going to show you how to transition from your 9 to 5 in just 1 hour per week using affiliate marketing and paid advertising. This is my life's work. It's called the theory of automation. I'm qualified to share this because my name is the infamous Joel. For those who don't know me, I spent 7 years in prison, got myself cleaned up, read a lot, turned my life around, came home, and became an entrepreneur. One of the main ways that I made money was affiliate marketing. And through working with clients privately and coaching for a few years now, I have learned that there are three main constraints when you are super busy and you're trying to start a traditional affiliate marketing business. Your number one constraint is going to be, how do I start? A lot of affiliates come into this world, they're 9 to 5ers, and they wonder how they start. Chances are, if you failed in the past, most of the gurus, trainers, coaches, unfortunately, this whole industry is a lot of blind leading the blind. A lot of people just echoing stuff that doesn't work. And no one's ever willing to test things and try things themselves. I've spent a lot of money with paid advertising, with affiliate marketing. And the first thing you need to know is branding. If you don't do your branding right, you're going to have a lot of problems. Now, I consider branding the best thing you can do for long-term sustainability. You have to have a brand. It's easier to get repeat buyers if you have a brand. If you don't have a brand, you don't have a business. It sets you apart from the fly-by-night promoters. Lots of people in affiliate marketing get into it to become promoters. I want to promote stuff, but that's not a long-term sustainable business. You have to narrow down your audience for low competition when you're branding. That's the proper way to brand. There's no excuse to not properly plan your business because it only takes 1 hour to brand your business with AI. And I actually give a workshop to do this for free inside my community. It can now be done completely faceless. That's the best part about doing this properly. Before it was, I don't want to get on camera. Now in this AI world, you can do this completely faceless. So there's no excuse. Okay. Now, constraint number two is going to be, how do I get traffic? Every single affiliate marketer asks this question at a certain point, but specifically when you're very, very busy, when your schedule sucks, you've probably failed before because this is the big bottleneck, right? So there are two proven funnels for busy professionals. I have worked with very busy professionals, doctors, lawyers over the years privately, and I'm opening this up to a lot of other people. And the biggest funnels that we ran that work super, super well for busy professionals, this one I like to call the fastest funnel ever. Now, this is just a paid advertisement that goes to a conversation, right? An interested lead, an interested buyer, prospective buyer, a conversation that goes straight to a sale. This is a DM conversation. Most of my busy professionals that you've seen testimonials with over the years, they've run this ad campaign because it gets you super fast results. Now, this is generally the fastest funnel ever. It's easier and cheaper most of the time to get started making commissions. And this is probably where you see me in ads a lot talking about $5 leads. This campaign is very, very cheap. So yeah, you can absolutely get $5 leads by doing this. And you're making commissions without any kind of tech setup. And that's why this is a beneficial funnel for someone who's super busy. You don't need any kind of website or anything like that. Just literally adds to a conversation to, here's the product, buy. That's it. And that's usually your affiliate link. Now, here's the other funnel that will set you free. This one's a little more complex, but if you can nail it, it will free you from your 9 to 5. And this is called the automated funnel. Now, you've seen this probably called all kinds of different names. I didn't invent this. I just renamed it for the purposes of my branding. I'm automated affiliate. I'm trying to teach you this automated way of doing things instead of the hard way. So you're going to run an ad, and that ad is going to go to a relatively cheap product. You're going to get a commission or sale there. Then you're going to send to a higher ticket or costlier product. Now, not everyone's going to buy this one, but the goal here is to operate this funnel at least a break even, if not even better, a profit, but at least a break even, because what it does is it brings you free leads automatically in your sleep without you having to do anything. This is a completely faceless automated funnel. Now, afterwards, you can sell all kinds of different affiliate products to your email list, to retargeting, to all these things. So it's all profit after this. This is what automates your time so you never have to work. This is the automated funnel. Takes longer to set up and test, but you generate cash on autopilot. This is the one where you could legitimately work 1 hour per week. This is the one that I get all my clients eventually on. All right. Ads self-liquidate, meaning that they pay for themselves with the products in the funnel. And I'm going to be releasing this to the public very soon. No more private stuff. No more charging 10K to see this stuff. You are going to get this for a lower price now because it's 2025. And now constraint number three is going to be, how do I increase profit? How do I increase profit? For me, it's just going to be bolt-on profit centers. What do I define as bolt-on profit centers? If you are bringing people in either at a profit with your ads or at least break even, they're free leads. After that, you can sell them high ticket products, software subscriptions, 1 hour AI digital products. Now you can make digital products at 100% commission. You keep all the profits, and it literally only takes an hour to do it. And I'll show you how to do that stuff. This is my theory of constraints. These are the main 3 things that keep the busy professional from retiring from their 9 to 5 for good. And this type of business model fits into anyone's schedule. If you have ad spend, this is the best way to build an affiliate/digital marketing business. You want to make serious money? This is the way to do it. You cannot trade your time for money anymore. Let's trade our money for an automated affiliate business. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.